Hi everyone, here's a quick hands-on look at our TICKEY, a pocket-sized color e-paper display. I guess the first thing you'll notice might be the shape. Yeah, we decided to look like an old paper TICKEY stub. See this little notch edge? It brings back the feeling of keeping an old movie or concert ticket as a memory. This haul is for King Ring. We'll show you later. The swappable and magnetic faceplate is one of our favorite features. Just lift it off and snap another one on. No tools needed. Ta-da! Same ticket, a completely different look. These are only our first samples. In the future, we will create more colors and styles, including design made together with our community. The ring in the top corner lets you clip TICKEY onto your bag. Then you can upload your favorite image and take it anywhere, like your pet, your family, your favorite artist, or character you are obsessed with. We also added 2 tiny holes along the edge. Attach small metal rings and a lanyard, and TICKEY becomes a color e-paper badge. By the way, TICKEY also supports NFC shell. Just tap it with a phone, and it can open your contact card, website, or socials. Okay, finally, a few quick details. TICKEY has a 3.7-inch display and an aluminum body with a light gray finish. It's only 3.8mm thin, so you can easily take it anywhere. It also has a magnet on the back, so you can stick it to the fridge or any other magnetic surface. That's TICKEY. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!